Congratulations.
Ah,
Grandparents ba ngayon?
Ha?
Grandparents ba?
man.
Gusto namin Pasko.
Ayaw na naman.
Pasko.
Okay na. Wow, gusto mo. Sabi ko.
Kumakain ako eh. Buksan mo. Ahal ka rito.
Mamaya may bill yan eh.
Bill? For what?
May bill na ata.
Nervyoso ako eh.
May bill.
May bill na yan.
Bakit now?
It's now.
Gusto mo kasi now. Sayang yung sobre.
Wala gamit.
Sana ba sobra?
Dumikit eh.
Nagagamit na ulit.
Bukas na.
Congratulations.
Grandparents
Grandparents ba ngayon?
Ha?
Grandparents ba yun?
Hindi mo nakuha.
Grandparents!
Hindi mo na. Hindi mo alam mo ibig sabihin.
Sorry, mahina pick up ng nanay.
Alam mo na. Oh, very good.
Promoted.
Wow, congrats!
Oo.
Surprise na lang sa gender.
Yeah.
Hindi niyo pa alam?
Kaya yung una. Kaya din nagpa-check up kami.
Kailan ka nagpa-check up?
Kanina.
Okay.
Kanina.
Nalaman ko last Monday.
Mm.
Nagpa-check up kami ng Thursday. Tapos kanina ulit para sa blood.
Ah.
Tapos confirm.
Kita mo?
Sorry hina ng pick up.
Kasi, paano ka naging grandparent eh? Wala ka pang anak. Apo.
Oh my God.
Okay, congrats.
Congratulations!
Oh.
Celebration!
Thank you.
Ilang buwan na?
Thank you. 5 weeks pa lang.
Weeks. One.
5 weeks, 1 month.
pa lang ngayon.
Oh.
1 month.
So, 9 months sila niyo.
Ultrasound ko.
40 weeks yun.
9 months ka.
40 weeks na.
Projects of kids in the district that were among the leadership plan projects. Meaning of that is that the leadership projects ended up with different groups of contractors, but at least 2 of them, the ones in the district are from Congressman Bertala. They are not
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers daw, sabi ko kay Angelo. Cheers!
Grandparents Day.
Grandparents Day ngayon. Cheers!
It's Christmas Eve. And having a barbecue. And then we have mom's spaghetti, which is inside. And yeah, that's about it. That's all we're having. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. How many weeks? 5 weeks. Big as a sesame seed. That's about it. Yeah. Wow. Dude, whose recipe? From the Thailand book. Notebook. The recipe book. Alright, look what came in the mail today. Today or yesterday? It was yesterday. It's our postcard when we went to it Sunday last week. And look what it says. It became true. So I hope our baby in there is healthy. Huh? I hope it's healthy. The aftermath. We wash it right away, not like other people. I don't know. I just want to get it done. There's not much stuff outside. Christmas Eve. Ooh, but it's raining. It's raining. Hello. What day is it today? What is it today? And it's storming. Sucks.
Oh, kakain na naman. Kala ko nakakain tayo.
Nasa Buena $500.
Oh, there's a storm on Christmas Eve. It wasn't like this, but it's Christmas. It's Christmas.
Buksan natin yung wine.
Oh, sige. Wait lang.
Para maubos,
Si
di
Dad.
maubos yun, ha?
Boss na.
Oh, soon.
Masaktan siya.
Ano po ng body? Kasamahan pa naman kita. Oh, isang picture.
Ako parang nag-iiyak ako.
Eh kasi nakakaya ka sa amin mo eh.
Tayo nga muna.
Set up.
1, 2, 3.
Ayo, nakaupo kayo.
Ayan. Doon ka nga.
Grabe ka naman, nakaupo ako. Ay, hindi, saan ka na?
Higit na yung
Wow. Shell.
Nakapantulog kami apat dito.
Dala ng kuya ron, dumating ang kuya ron nung isang araw eh. Linggo. Sige na anak.
Bye-bye.
Yay! Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Is that the 500 peso Noche Buena?
Nakaganyan ka, di ba?
Oh.
Hindi ako nakalakad.
Huwag mo gagawin ito kaliwa. Gaganyan mo yan, di ba? Malaki.
Oh.
Oo. Hindi nakaganyan ka ngayon. Saka mo kunin. Grip mo. O yung mali.
8 tayo alis. Baka na... How's it?
Tawag mo kanya. Tawag mo kanya.
Oh, too big. Bakit?
Ayaw.
It's good, man.
Sweet Caroline. Joke Hoffman yan. O si Boy.
Mia.
Cheers. To
Gusto na.
our future baby. Hope you're healthy. I know you're chia seed right now.
Ready, Rad.
Sesame seed right now.
Ayun!
Bumera.
Bumira yung OC. Ano yung sinabi mo?
W-O-O.
Church it? Cheers, Lolo.
Yeah. Make it an athlete.
Yes. Ganun yan. The next. Sino ba yung goal? I don't know.
Si Jason Day at si Cameron Smith.
Philippines. Sino?
Hindi, Australian. Australian golfer.
Jason Day.
Jason Day at saka ang latest si Cameron
Cameron
Smith.
Smith.
Pag tennis,
Alex
si
Ayala.
Hewitt yun eh.
Oh,
Siya
let's
mayabang
go.
yun.
Alex Ayala na.
Oo, babae yun.
Okay lang.
Yun ang expectation. Okay.
Bakit? Okay naman ah. She's good.
Eh, pag golfer na babae, New Zealand ang magaling eh.
Yeah. What's her name? We watched her.
Korean name eh.
I forgot. We watched her during the Olympics.
Korean yung magaling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
One minute to go, man.
Let's go, sinasabi nyo ko eh.
Hindi pa eh.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Oh, Merry Christmas na!
Merry
Oh.
Christmas!
Cheers!
Christmas! Cheers!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Cheers!
Oh!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, baby!
Wow!
Oh, yung regalo mo! Yung regalo mo!
Merry Christmas!
I have a gift.
Oh, since meron na kayo pangatlo, hindi na sa inyo yun, doon na lang.
Merry Christmas!
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, hindi mo!
Merry Christmas!
What is this?
Buksan mo na, buksan mo!
Oh,
Di ba yan ang nasa New Year?
Buksan mo!